Because of the way SwiftUI sends in binding updates to property wrappers, this kind of code won't work the way you expect. This is a didSet property observer on an atState property. And it'll work when you assign to the wrapped value, like we have down here in our button action. But it won't work with our slider where we use the binding to the double. That will not trigger the print statements. Instead, what you want to do is have a new modifier called onChange, which will run a function of your choosing when a particular value changes. Now, SwiftUI will pass you the new value for that particular property, you can then act on, or you can just read the current value yourself. It's down to you. For example, we could say, I want to have this slider watch blur amount and print our text out. So we'll say down here for our slider, onChange of the blur amount. Give me the new value coming in, no space there, new value in, and then do print new value is string interpolation new value. And that will now correctly print out the changes to blur amount no matter how it's done. The slider or the button will both trigger the thing being printed. So here's a button working, and here's a slider working as well. So both now work, which was not the case for the simple property observer. Now, this particular modifier onChange can be put anywhere in your view hierarchy. I normally attach to the thing that's making the change. You don't have to. I can put that down here, for example, for our VStack. And whenever it changes, anywhere in our code, it'll run this particular code here. And so what it means is you can now do whatever you want inside that onChange function. You can call methods, you can run an algorithm to figure out how to apply the change, or whatever else you need to do.